Espers, I'm guessing that this will just be a quick event review because for our event today, it's Supermart, a refreshed event na multiple times na bumalik. This is the 4th iteration actually for the year 2021. It came a long way already from the first iteration kasi yun yung pinakasulit and dun rin naubos yung Christmas RP ko. Looking at our Smurf accounts board, we have 3 slots dedicated for orbs, 3, 4, and 7 in quantity, 2 slots for epic skins, 1 slot for superior skin priced at 975 RP, a slot for a Little Legends rare egg, and then Coven tokens at 150 na quantity. And let's go now to our main account to try and break down the mechanics. So looking at our board now, it looks like it's the same trend. 2 slots here for epic skin, 3 slots for orbs although mas malaki yung sa main account ko, a slot here for superior skin, a Little Legends rare egg, and another slot for the tokens. Pero since own ko na lahat ng skins, these 3 slots right here have been converted to orbs already. Event duration is from August 31 until September 7, and this is just a mix and match event wherein you are aiming to buy 3 items to get the most discount possible, and that's 60%. You can only purchase 1 time per day, and there's a free gift that can be claimed on the next day starting 12 noon. Don't expect anything grand or big from the free gift kasi cute rewards lang yan. And that's based from my experience. Pero to demonstrate this, so if you want to buy something already, just click on it from the board. And if you change your mind, just click on it again para mabalik siya sa pool. And from the original price na 3,750 RP, it says here na 60% off siya at 1,500 na lang. Let's try switching this out to 7 times, 1,700 RP. And then switching these out again. Let's try 3 and then Little Legends rare egg. You can see here na 996 siya. So just do trial and error and see what are the items that you can get for the best RP deal possible. Actually, I'm really hesitating on spending for this event because of number 1. I have a ton of skin shards already right here. I have 80,000 orange essences which I don't know where to use them for. Second is I don't really play TFT, so the egg there won't be of use to me. I own all of the available emotes from the game, 195 count here. And lastly, I have already fulfilled the Coven 2021 shop. As you can see here, owned na mostly lahat yan, lalong-lalo na yung mga gusto ko. So final verdict for this event would be a 6 out of 10. And who is this event catered for? This is for those who have a lot of RP and would want to get a huge amount of skins, lalo na sa collectors. May it be random from opening orbs, or if you are lucky, there are skins that you have been waiting for and it appeared on your board. I'll mark myself safe from this event, and this is just a direct buy of items at a discounted price. Syempre, always aim for 3 items para naman you can get the biggest discount possible, which is 60% nga. For those who have a little amount of RP, same as me, maybe let's just wait for other events. Also, if you want to farm for tokens, Coven tokens yan, go for Crime City Tours instead. Pero those are my considerations and considerations that you should make. Pero that's all there is to Supermart. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you on Friday for our next event review, Espers. Good luck on your grind.